Pankaj, I want to come back to you for the last question this morning on around your city. We also heard about these allegedly communal tensions that continue to be built up in and around Muzaffarnagar. Akhilesh Yadav's government doing its bit in this withdrawing cases against Muslim leaders. Now we're hearing that the Sangh Parivar has been distributing booklets in and around Muzaffarnagar.
Absolutely clear. The larger picture, that is general elections of 2014, are the first and the foremost aim of all the political parties. So be it the RSS, the BJP, the Samajwadi Party, all are into vote buying politics right now. But I have met the right victims in most of the villages, and they are of the opinion that ultimately they have been at the receiving end, politics or no politics. In this winter chill, there is no one to take care of them. Yesterday, Pierre, if I may just apprise the viewers that I had the entire list from the survey done by an NGO of the existence of the relief camp. Shocking as it may sound, that the NGO survey clearly states that there are more than 20,000 riot victims still at the various camps in Muzaffarnagar and the Shamli district. And what does the local administration in Muzaffarnagar district say? They say there are no riot victims in Muzaffarnagar. Yeah. And what does the district magistrate in Shamli district say? It says that there are just over 1,000 victims in Shamli district. So you can well understand what sort of a big cover-up plan is going on really here. Ultimately, as I said, riot victims at the receiving end.